What is up, y'all? Jaden here, Redneck Riding. So, I just got this fairly worn out Dewalt. This DCF885. Got this off of Alex. Got it very, very, very cheap. But, goodness, this workbench is dirty. Hold on a sec. Should have cleaned this from earlier. Okay. But yeah, this thing is quite worn out. I have one of my 3 amp hours on it, but this thing ain't making the best of sounds. Listen to this at the low speed. And unlike that one Ryobi that I worked on, doesn't sound like it's coming from inside the wherever the hammer's at, whatever you call that. Now this thing is brushed, but it is like a 7-8 year old Dewalt. Very, very well used. But today I'm gonna see if I can somehow, some way figure out how to fix it, or at least get it sounding better. I guarantee you this thing needs cleaned. I mean, I know it needs cleaned, so I'm gonna attempt to repair it. See, this is a T15. It's not a T15. Maybe T10. T10 too small. Okay, we'll go back to T15. Also, these ain't the best screwdrivers either. Not that one. Okay, here we go. Getting somewhere now. And no, I'm not going to clean this thing. You gotta earn this kind of filth. Now, honestly, I don't know why on earth I decided to get this off Alex, because, I mean, outside of a backup, I know why I got it. I just am questioning why I did it. Because, honestly, I don't really need it. But, whatever. Me. I have never taken apart one of these Dewalts before, so this is going to be a first for me. The rubber is peeling back a little bit there, but probably just glue that. Let's see, 3 screws up here. Me. I do want to ask y'all something though. Do y'all know where you can get replacement stickers here? I mean, it's not a big deal. It's just, well, knowing me, I'm going to try and figure out a way to clean this tool up the best I can. Because, I like to take care of my stuff, unlike some people. Now, to be fair, this thing has been through a lot, obviously. You know, and you're going to get wear and tear with years on these tools, no matter what. It don't matter how much you baby your tools, you're going to wear them out eventually. Okay, there's what I'm talking about with the rubber peeling back, but I think this should just separate from here around the, oh, well, it might help if I take that sticker off. That's what it's supposed to look like, y'all. And you know what? I'm gonna leave that there, and I'm gonna just cut that. Just for the sake of aesthetics, I guess you could say. All right. Let's pull this cover off of here now. Oh yeah, that thing ain't clean big time. Ooh. Yeah, I would be sounding bad if I was dirty too. Goodness. Hey, looky there, an easy way to get that out. Hey, just put that in the bucket of things I'm never going to use again. You know what? I'm gonna take this entire motor out of this chassis. This is terrible. This is filthy. Okay. Also, I wonder if I could potentially get those lights up top working again. Yeah, that is dirty. Okay, good. So I can just separate that and plug it right there. Now, I'm curious. You probably shouldn't do what I'm fixing to do. Wait a minute. You know what? Never mind. Huh. Okay, so this goes in the back, and those get pressed to the side of this. That's interesting. Huh. Coil pack looks a little like it gotten warm before a time or two. This is honestly very interesting to see because I've never been in one of these Dewalts before. Or Dewalt, whatever you want to call them. I want to see if I can get this. Okay, so I got that ring off of there. So how do you get in here to grease this? This looks like it's complete. Okay, no. I think it comes apart from the back. Well, that's interesting. Also, it looks like these, I know these lights don't work, but still, I mean, that's interesting nonetheless. Huh. Okay. Well, I'm gonna just put that back, I hope. Okay, so you turn these and then pull it out. Okay. Huh. Yeah, I think this needs cleaned. I'm gonna go and clean this chassis a bit. By a bit, I mean massively. And I think what I probably ought to do. See, this thing is, ooh, there's like some metal bits right along there. I'm gonna try my best to clean this up without damaging it. I'm gonna just try this with a wire brush, see what happens. Not recommended to do what I'm doing, but I'm just trying to see if I can prolong the life of this thing, honestly. I mean, it ain't like this thing's gonna get used much at this point, because this thing's honestly just like gonna be solely a backup from here on out. And there was crud in there too. Huh. Okay. Alright. Ouch. I mean, it's caked. I mean, there's crud caked on this thing. Goodness. Very smart. Very smart of me. Okay, now put this back in here. Alright, well, I'm gonna take this inside and try my best to clean this. You know what? No, I'm not even gonna take this inside. I'm gonna just brute force it. 'Cause honestly, this thing, I just want to see if I can get this thing sounding better before I really do too much to it. Clean all of this up. This back up for now. Oh, let's get some of these guys back in here. That's how that's supposed to go. The wire's supposed to run into there. That sits in there. And then this goes in like, well, it's supposed to go in like that. Although, I think that wire is a little bit in my way, which is always fun. So what am I supposed to install that? Then, and then slide it in there maybe? I'm a little slow. That's how it goes in. And then gotta okay. Set that. Let's set this chassis on. Now, if this thing's anything like those Ryobis, I know I need to put some screws in the top of this thing, otherwise it's gonna sound just even worse. So I want to see if a slight cleaning, or really just brushing out, helps it at all. If not, it ain't a big deal, you know. This is just a quick thing. See what I can do. gets loose in there. I'm just gonna go ahead and assemble this thing fully at this point because I don't feel like working on this thing too much more tonight, honestly. I got a lot to do. Okay, now just put that belt clip back on. And unset that. Oh, wait a minute. Dummy. Okay, there we go. I was wondering what those things were for, and then I finally connected it one day that they're for these things. That does sound better. Well, I think this thing's going to get itself a full clean now. Honestly, I did not think that just brushing it out was going to do much, but honestly, I could definitely do a better job, but it definitely sounds better, though, at low speeds. Yeah. Well, I think for right now, we're gonna leave it there. But if y'all have any good whatever. If y'all know where to get some of these replacement stickers at, like the DCF885 and the Dewalt deal, let me know, because honestly, I might replace that. And I do have to glue this rubber on. I'll probably do that tonight. And then I'm gonna give this thing a good clean up too. Because that's how filthy my hands are just from working on this thing. But not bad, honestly. Obviously, it is brushed, but that's why you see a little spark up there. Sometimes. But, alright, well, that's going to be it for this video, y'all. And I will see you next time here on Redneck Riding.